Okay, so I have a weather station, model number WH65B, and it requires two 1.5 volts AAA batteries. And I couldn't figure out how to get a cover off the batteries. I last installed this unit about 18 months ago, so I couldn't figure out how to do it. The manual doesn't really say. So what I did, if you look at it carefully now, it says open on it, where you slide it back, but I couldn't get it to slide out. There's some tabs on it as well, see over there. Alright, so it goes in. There's some two tabs in here, openings that it slides in, and then it clicks in place. Alright, so you just really need to push it out this way. Alright, I tried doing that, so I ended up just taking a screwdriver and prying it off. So just be aware that if you want to change your batteries, you just need to pull on it this way. Alright, to get it to come off. It comes off, and there's the batteries in there. Alright, like I said, I changed it a little more than a year ago, so I'm just going to swap them out now just to make sure the signal remains strong. My receiver, the unit inside the house, is probably about 100 feet away, and I notice every now and then it drops the signal, so I'm just going to change the batteries out. These are cheap Amazon ones, and we're going to put something a little better this time. Alright, so this is how you get a cover off, and it's easy to reinstall. Just push it back in. Alright, hope this helps someone. Like, share, and subscribe if this helped you. Thanks.